Breaking of covalent bond. Bond making and bond breaking. A reaction mechanism is a detailed description of broken and formed starting material is converted into product. A reaction can occur either in one step or series of steps. For example, A can convert it to B or A can convert it to B through intermediate. Homolytic cleavage or homolysis, which means AB reactant to give A dot and B dot free radicals. Homolysis, heterolysis. AB compound can produce A dot free radical and B dot free radical. AB compound can produce A plus carbocation and B minus anion. It is called as heterolysis. Heterolysis or heterolytic cleavage means AB compound can produce A plus and B minus or A minus and B plus, that is any one cationic species and another anionic species. Two types of cleavages, homolysis, heterolysis. Half-headed arrow in both sides means it is called as homolysis. Single-headed arrow in one side means it is called as heterolysis. Homolytic fission or homolysis. Example, methyl halide can be dissociated into methyl free radical and halide free radical. So, homolysis produces free radical. Heterolysis generates carbocation and carbanion. So, these are the representation of homolysis and heterolysis. For example, half-headed arrow indicates both sides means it will produce radical and Z dot. Single-headed arrow indicated in one side means it will produce carbocation and Z minus ion or carbanion and Z plus ion. So radicals and carbocation has no octet. Carbon has an octet with a lone pair of electron. Depending upon the nature of the reactant, it will produce tertiary carbocation or primary carbocation. In the first case, the reactant is a tertiary compound, so it will produce tertiary carbocation. In the second one, it is a primary, so it will produce primary carbocation. Bond forming or with two radicals or two ions. It is the reverse reaction of the previous one. A dot and B dot combine to give AB compound. A plus and B minus can combine to give again AB bond. But free radical will produce covalent bond and ions will produce ionic bond. Example, methyl halide. Methyl halide means methyl carbocation and halide ion will be formed with the use of heterolytic cleavage. Thank you.